Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Friends, in this video we are going to see job openings from Aurobindo Pharma for the following department: QA, QC, production and packing departments. So the eligible candidates are B.pharm, M.pharm, B.sc and other qualifications. So for getting complete details, please watch the video completely till the end and also hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for getting regular job updates. So coming to the details, friends, all the job openings are for experienced candidates only. Minimum 3 years of experience is required for all the positions. For production and packing, they are looking for executive or senior executive, TA or SRTA. For quality assurance, in process quality assurance, executive or senior executive, the qualification required is B.pharm or M.pharm candidates. So coming to the quality control department, they are looking for finished product or process validation. The qualification required for this department is M.sc B.pharm or M.pharm candidates. So if you are unable to attend the interview, you can share your CV to mahesh.jetty@aurobindo.com. Friends, you must have formulation experience and regulatory exposure like US FDA and MHRA. So these are the complete details, my dear friends. The walk-in interview is for Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Unit 7, Jadcherla. So the date and venue of the interview is 2nd October 2022, Sunday, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Bachupalli, Hyderabad. The pin code is also provided here. These are the complete details, my dear friends. So if you like the information, please share this video with your friends and also hit that like button. And if these job openings are for experienced candidates only, once again I'm mentioning. So if you are freshers candidates and if you are preparing for any interview, you can watch the playlist in our channel regarding interview preparation. Thank you for watching.